Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the verification email not received error on Gumroad in 2026. And if you're trying to verify your email on Gumroad but the verification email never arrives, you're stuck. Without verification, you might not be able to publish products, withdraw money, access certain features. So let's trouble this properly and follow these few simple steps to fix this issue. The first thing you want to do is to check the spam and promotion folder. This solves most cases. So you're gonna look inside the spam or junk or promotion tab. Verification emails get filtered often. So in your Gmail account, you're gonna access your Gmail and go to your inbox, and there you're gonna look in the spam folder and the promotion folder for the verification email. Second thing you want to do is to confirm the correct email address. Go to the account settings by clicking on here, click on your profile icon, and then click on your profile. Then here you can see all the information about yourself. You can click on the pen to edit your profile, and you can see all the information about yourself, about your account, and check if there's no typo, if the email is correctly spelled, and if it's active. And if wrong, update the email and request verification again. You can resend the verification email by clicking resend verification, then wait a few minutes and avoid clicking resend repeatedly. This can cause delayed delivery. Now, you can also add Gumroad to contacts to prevent blocking, add Gumroad email to contacts, whitelist the sender, and this improves their deliverability. Also try a different email provider if the problem continues, and you can switch to Gmail or Outlook and update the account email. Now, corporate or custom domains sometimes block automated emails. So use professional email domain, avoid temporary emails, and make sure inbox isn't full. Note verification email problems are usually caused by spam filtering or incorrect email entry. Check the spam, resend the verification carefully, and whitelist the sender, and you will be verified quickly. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.